Hi guys, this is Technical Gamer, and in this video I'm gonna tell you the top tricks and shortcut keys that you can use in Windows 7 with just your keyboard, even without your mouse. So let's get started.
Didn't even get to cross.
So the first shortcut key is window key. If you press the window key, our start menu will be open. So if you press window key, check it out. The start menu is open. It's a very useful key to open the start menu. So just pressing the window key, we can open our start menu. Our second shortcut key is Win plus E key or Window plus E. If you press Window plus E, we can have access to our drives or the My Computer will be opened. So if you press Window plus E, check it out. My Computer is open. We can have access to our drives. Check it out. It's a very useful key to open My Computer. The third shortcut key is Window plus T or Win plus T. If we press Win plus T, we have access to our Task Manager apps. By pressing right key, we can select any of the app in the Task Manager. You can check that it is shifting towards right. So if we press enter, it will open that app. So it is now in VLC Media Player. If we press enter, the VLC Media is open. Again, if we press Window plus T, now we am shifting towards right, and now it's on Google Chrome. Now if you press enter, the Google Chrome is open. So it is a very useful key to open the Task Manager apps. The fourth one is also related to the Task Manager apps. If we press Window plus 1, our first app in the Task Manager will be open. If we press Window plus 2, our second app in the Task Manager will be open, and so on. So you can check that my game Call of Duty 4 is in the fourth number. So if I press Window plus 4, you can check that Call of Duty 4 is open. Let me close this. So you can check that the Google Chrome is in the fifth number in the Task Manager. So if we press Window plus 5, the Google Chrome is open. The next shortcut key is Window plus P key. If you press Window plus P, it will connect our laptop to the projector. So if you press Window plus P, so here it shows the options to connect the laptop to your projector. The next shortcut key is Window plus L. If we press Window plus L, our screen or our computer will be locked. So if you press Window plus L, you can check that my PC is locked. So let me enter the password. Now it is open. So this is a very useful key to just lock your PC. Just a second. The next shortcut key is Window plus R. If you press Window plus R key, the run prompt will be open in instance. So if we press Window plus R, you check that the run prompt is open in just a single second. So this is also a very useful key. We can check different things here, the temporary files, the registry, or anything in the run prompt. And the last shortcut key is, and every person knows this key, that if you open this My Computer, you can easily close this by just pressing Alt plus F4. So if you enter Alt plus F4, it is closed. You can close anything with this. If the Google Chrome is open, press Alt F4 and it will close. So this was for today's video. So do like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.